get
Hi,
low already.
guys.
Oh, down. I thought I saw something.
Hi guys, today we're playing Flood Escape.
Go. Get
I can't even go in
Share,
here.
smash the like button. This person's gotta
Oh
be
my
here by now.
god, it's so laggy
Give
in
them plenty of
there.
time. We typed the code in wrong twice. There's no way they're not
I'm
coming.
gonna
They
be a
come so
medium
quick.
this time.
Okay. You ready to
Cause
check?
easy was too easy.
But Shares, we've got to find out who this person is and why they're so protective
No
of this
one's
safe.
in
What
hard
is in
because
the
it's.
safe?
I have no idea.
Why did this is so
Let's
serious?
see. Let's
Is it FBI? Is it a
Logan
secret
Paul?
spy hacker? What
Loading.
is it?
Hey, no. Please
Yeah,
die,
there's definitely
please
something
die.
super valuable
I
in the
wanna
safe.
go.
Because Grace, remember we went up into that
It's so
attic?
laggy. I
Shares,
don't
that
know
attic
why.
was the creepiest thing ever.
Yeah, and there's like a sleeping
no,
bag
yes.
They have a pillow.
Please
Not only
follow,
that, there was
please follow.
handcuffs. And Shares, some of you pointed out that you
He's not-
saw some type of face.
Yeah.
That was so weird. So my
When he
guess
goes
is whoever
up
was
there
trying to get
again,
into the
boom,
safe
died.
lived up in the attic for a little bit until they could
Diaper.
figure out how to sneak into the
Diaper,
safe,
you
but they never
died.
could find the safe because it was hidden behind those pictures.
Yeah, my guess is they don't know where the safe is because it's hiding behind those picture frames. And so it's really
She's
hard to
good.
find. Like, we wouldn't have found it unless it's Steven knocked
Ditto.
them off.
What is she just doing there?
But every time
Is she
we
sacrificing
type in a
her
wrong
life
code, that little
for-
red light
Oh
flashes.
no! Oh
And I
no!
think that's
Oh
something
no!
like a
Oh
silent
no!
notification, so
Yes!
they come over and try
Yes,
and
no
find
one in
the
the
safe.
medium.
They must not know where the safe is, but they must be able to
Intermission.
listen for that silent alarm.
Yeah.
But little do they know that we know that they just sit outside.
Yeah.
But this time we're gonna find out who that person is.
Let's do it.
Should we look? I'm scared to look.
Yes, the
Sure,
game
they've
is
got to
ready.
be outside
They have
though. It's
to be.
been plenty of time to
I
come.
think-
Oh, Grace, actually I got an idea. Before we
One-
look out the window, because as soon as we look out the window,
They're saying Mama
they
didn't
can
have-
see us. So what I'm gonna do, let's go downstairs.
What the?
I'm gonna go
doesn't
outside. I'm
even-
gonna walk around the block, past the car, and you're gonna stay in the house. So they look for you, and when they see you, they're gonna be looking at
It
you.
was so
They're not
laggy
gonna
that.
notice that I'm gonna be right by the car.
Oh my god! I'm gonna go to easy.
Yeah, so let's do a little plan. Okay, let's head down the stairs. Stay low though. Like scoot down the stairs.
Oh,
so
yes,
that you
yes,
don't
yes.
go past the window.
Yeah.
Okay, come down.
Get me over
Okay,
here.
let's go. Down
Get
here.
me over here. I
Okay,
need
we gotta watch the
it.
front door because the front door is kind of
Oh,
see-through.
yes.
So we're gonna sneak by this way.
Yes.
Stay
The
quiet.
easy one's more
I'm assuming
easier.
they're out front by now. Careful.
Easy one's
Don't
so
get too close to the front
easy.
door.
Yes.
Okay, good. Keep going. Keep coming. Oh, by the way, Sherry, this is the map thing that we found in the attic last vlog. Look, there's some type of radio in it. We've got to take it somewhere special because every time we try to unroll it, it just keeps falling apart. But there's, see, I don't want to unroll it yet. We're going to completely destroy it.
Yeah.
It's like completely crumbling. But Sherry's, we're about to unveil something on this. I don't know what it is, but we're getting close to it. So we got to take this to some type of specialist. If anyone knows like a map specialist, comment down below. This is like super special.
What?
No.
I think I saw something. Oh, let's go out this way. Let's go out the back.
I almost escaped that.
Okay, be quiet.
What the heck? I
go around
almost
back.
escaped. One more
Go
player
around this
left.
side. Oh, hang tight. Do you see what I see? Hang on, Shares. That red car is not out front right now. Check this out. Check this out. I cannot believe this. That's not the red car. I think that's a police car.
Oh my gosh.
Grace, what is going on? It literally says police on it. It literally says police. Okay, hang on. Let's go past this gate.
Are you sure it's okay?
We gotta figure out why is there. Grace, I think I know. Quick, open this. Open this. Okay. I think I know why the red car wasn't there at first, Grace.
Why?
That police car was in there. Think about it. That red car, whoever that red car is, it's not part of the police. Because the police are sitting there right now, so they probably saw a cop car sitting there and got scared, so they didn't show up at first.
Oh.
This is all making sense now.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hang on. You gotta cut around carefully. Okay. Go around. Careful. Careful.
Careful me,
Behind the golf
careful.
cart. Make it behind the truck.
It's
You ready?
right there. It's right
Ready?
there.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Yeah! Ah! Get me out of here! No players here, yes. Come in. Okay, we got this one. Come help me.
I worked for Amara for a decade. I never got so much as a paper cut.
Oh no,
Couple
it's
months
keep
to produce
on
a movie.
lagging.
Shocked.
I don't know what I have to do. Jump! Dang it.
Our movie stars.
Oh, alright. Go here. Excuse me, jump.
Go. Okay.
Jump over here.
Hang tight. Peek up real quick.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no.
See.
Stay close. Oh, we can't see through the. Oh, there it is. Check it out, Sharers. It's a police car. Okay, let me get a better look. Alright, let's get a better look. Okay.
Yes, I'm here. Here.
Real quick.
Yes.
Does it say police on it? I think it says police. Why is there a cop car out front? What is going on? This
I'm
is
stuck
so
in
weird.
here.
I don't even know
I'm
what to
stuck
do.
in here.
When's the red car gonna show up? We need that red car to show up. This is so weird. I don't know why that red
I'm gonna reset.
Something's going on today. Something's really weird here. So now there's a cop car out front. That literally says police on it, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. That's definitely a cop car.
Okay,
100%
it's the
a cop
end
car.
of the
Wait,
video.
left.
I think.
Hang on.
Bye.
Hang on. There it is.